The new Pirelli P Zero PZ5 is here to challenge the reigning champion of the UUHP segment, the Continental SportContact 7. After 3 years of dominance, can the SportContact 7 hold its ground against Pirelli's latest innovation? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental SportContact 7 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the Tyre Review's Best Performance Tyres for 2025 tests. Starting with wet, the Pirelli P Zero PZ5 stops 0.61 meters shorter than the Continental SportContact 7 in wet braking, making it a 3% difference. In aquaplaning resistance, the PZ5 reaches a slipping speed of 74 km per hour, a 0.7 km per hour faster than the SportContact 7, giving it a 1% advantage. When it comes to wet handling, the PZ5 completes the lap 0.6 seconds faster, giving it a 1% advantage. Both tyres perform equally well in subjective wet handling, scoring 9.5 points each. Overall, the PZ5 has a slight edge in wet performance. When it comes to dry braking, the SportContact 7 stops 0.14 meters shorter, but the difference is close to 0% minimal. During dry handling, the PZ5 is just 0.12 seconds faster on the lap, while scoring 0.25 points higher in subjective handling. The difference in dry performance is almost negligible. Both tyres scores equally well in subjective comfort with a 10-point rating, but the PZ5 is quieter, producing 0.9 decibel less noise compared to the SportContact 7, giving it a 1% difference. When it comes to rolling resistance, it's almost identical between the two tyres, with the SportContact 7 having a minor 1% advantage. When it comes to price, the PZ5 is slightly cheaper, a 5% difference, giving it a slight cost benefit. In summary, the Continental SportContact 7 remains strong in dry braking and comfort. On the other hand, the Pirelli P Zero PZ5 impressive with its improved wet performance, quieter ride, and a much more competitive price. Based on these results, the Pirelli P Zero PZ5 takes the new crown as the new UUHP champion.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.